你们好，我是春燕。Hello, this is the Chinese language instructor Chun Yan. Welcome to Mandarin for our classroom. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on build up the vocabulary, speaking, and listening skills. The topic is about interest. When you want to talk about interest, you can use three structures. First one, 对 plus interest plus 感兴趣 means to be interested in. For example, I'm interested in learning Chinese. 我对学中文感兴趣。我对学中文感兴趣。Second one, 喜欢 plus interest means like. For example, I like music. 我喜欢音乐。我喜欢音乐。Third one, 最喜欢 plus interest means like the best. For example, I like play tennis the best. 我最喜欢打网球。我最喜欢打网球。I'm going to use these three structures in our exercises. There are three steps you need to follow. First one, learning and listening the vocabularies. Second step, listening the short story with subtitles in slow speed. Third step, listening the short story without subtitles in normal speed. Let's get started. First step, learning and listening vocabulary. Topic, interest. 朋友，朋友，日本人，日本人。对，感兴趣，对，感兴趣。中国书法，中国书法。跟，跟，有名的，有名的。老师，老师。学书法，学书法。觉得，觉得。汉语，汉语。练习，练习。有帮助，有帮助。不一样，不一样。喜欢，喜欢。运动，运动。很多，很多。比如，比如。篮球，篮球。网球，网球。乒乓球，乒乓球。等等，等等。最喜欢，最喜欢。打网球，打网球。每星期，每星期。下午，下午。2个小时，2个小时。网球迷，网球迷。都，都。 足球，足球。比赛，比赛。现在，现在。欧洲杯，欧洲杯。准时，准时。坐在，坐在。沙发，沙发。看比赛，看比赛。Second step, listening the short story with subtitles, slow speed. 我的朋友玛丽是个日本人，她对中国书法很感兴趣。他正跟一个有名的老师学书法。他觉得练习书法对学习汉语很有帮助。我跟他不一样，我喜欢运动。我喜欢的运动很多，比如篮球、网球、乒乓球等等。我最喜欢打网球。每星期1、3、5下午都打2个小时。我是一个网球迷。玛丽不喜欢打网球，她最喜欢看足球比赛。现在是欧洲杯足球比赛。她每天都准时坐在沙发上看比赛。Third step, listening short story without subtitles, normal speed. 我的朋友玛丽是个日本人，她对中国书法很感兴趣。她正跟一个有名的老师学书法。她觉得练习书法对学习汉语很有帮助。我跟她不一样，我喜欢运动。我喜欢的运动很多，比如篮球、网球、乒乓球等等。我最喜欢打网球。每星期1、3、5下午都打2个小时。我是一个网球迷。玛丽不喜欢打网球，她最喜欢看足球比赛。现在是欧洲杯足球比赛。她每天都准时坐在沙发上看比赛。Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video can help you. Please leave your question and comment. Let me know if you need help. I'm looking forward to see you next time. 再见。